So today we're going to do some plasma cutting. What we have is a Thermo Dynamic plasma cutter. This is a small unit, relatively inexpensive. Cuts up to 1/2 inch steel, cuts sheet metal and brackets, just whatever you need to cut. This one came from Richard at New Braunfels Welding. We've had it for a few years now and it does amazing work. Today we're going to cut some sheet metal. I'm going to post 2 videos today. One of them is a video of us cutting some axles, brackets for a boat axle. It does amazing work. Check this out. Cody's going to cut for us.